I'm going to head down to Raging Bird Leicester. I just literally, all my reviews, I just pop up. I don't ring them before. I literally turn up and then review it. Everyone's going on how good Raging Bird is at the minute. So, I'm going to go down. I'm going to pop in, surprise them. I don't know what I'm ordering. I'm just going to go and give you a proper, honest review. And if it's any good food. Boom.
Your order for 5285.
Oh my god, here we go then. I have got the viral munch box from Raging Bird. Let's have a look. So I've got the munch box, 15 quid, chicken tenders. Oh my god, look at them. Look at them bad. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Oh my days, look at that. Raging Bird. Got some chicken tender. Oh, so that box with a drink is 15 quid, which there is quite a lot of it, to be fair. That is. Let's try the tenders first. Oh my god. Absolutely. They are probably one of the most flavoursome things I've ever ate. Now, oh my god, got loaded fries, got chicken taco, chicken burger as well. Right, let's have some of this. Obviously, I just popped up. I don't ring them up or anything to say I'm coming. I literally just turn up. So loaded fries. Oh my god, unreal. I can actually see why this is viral. The taste is unbelievable. Oh my god. Honestly, shout out to Blazing Bird for there, because I've just done the burger reviews. Although the burgers are very good, this is something else. Right, taco. Oh my god, yeah. Sorry about my dirty hands, man. I know it's minging, but I'm not going to call it out. I don't waste sauces, but chicken. Oh. Let's have the burger. Right. Raging Bird. You are going to be proud. Right. Shout out to Raging Bird again, because this is absolutely fantastic. If you've never been here, honestly, get yourself down. Now, I'll do my reviews on honesty. I pay for it all. I don't have any I don't expect freebies or anything like that. So I just want a proper, honest review. And I tell you what, I want to swear, but I'm trying not to swear. This is absolutely unbelievable. Seriously, you do need to get down there. Like, oh my god, this has got a Chad's Reviews thumbs up. I know it's boring at the minute, but subscribe to me, follow me, share my videos. They will get better.
I promise. And yeah, comment where else I can try that's viral. It don't have to be Leicester. As long as it's not too far, I don't mind going. Right, I'll finish this. See you at the next one.